Unlocking academic excellence. Beyond study less, score more. Forget the misleading promise of effortless success. While studying smartly can undoubtedly free up time and reduce stress, true academic achievement hinges on intentional learning and harnessing your full potential. Here's a deeper dive into the strategies that will truly transform your educational journey. Cultivate deep understanding. Become a detective, not a parrot. Don't simply absorb information like a sponge. Actively question, analyze, and connect concepts to build a robust mental framework. Ask why and how, and seek out diverse perspectives to challenge your thinking. Think like a teacher. Imagine explaining a complex idea to a friend. This forces you to articulate your understanding clearly, pinpointing areas that require further exploration. Embrace the challenge of retrieval. Ditch passive rereading. Engage in active recall through flashcards, practice problems, or self-written summaries without relying on your notes. This strengthens neural pathways and ensures long-term retention. Master the art of focus. Craft a sanctuary of concentration. Silence the digital sirens. Remove distractions like phone notifications, close unnecessary browser tabs, and curate a calming, organized environment that fosters deep focus. Become a time warrior. Utilize the Pomodoro technique. Work in laser-focused 25-minute intervals punctuated by short breaks. This method combats mental fatigue and sustains optimal concentration. Align with your inner clock. Are you a lark or an owl? Schedule study sessions when your energy and alertness are naturally high. Respecting your biorhythms maximizes cognitive performance. Unlock powerful learning tools. Visualize your way to understanding. Leverage the power of dual coding. Integrate visual aids like diagrams, mind maps, or even doodles to enhance comprehension and memory. Outsmart forgetting. Ditch the last-minute cram. Embrace spaced repetition, regularly revisiting information over time to solidify it in your long-term memory. Explore tools like Anki flashcards for spaced repetition intervals. Discover your learning superpower. Experiment with diverse techniques like reading aloud, summarizing in your own words, or group discussions. Identify the methods that resonate most deeply with your unique learning style. Remember, you are the key. Prioritize sleep, your brain's best friend. A well-rested brain excels at information processing and focus. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Fuel your intellectual engine. Choose brain-boosting foods like fruits, nuts, and whole grains over sugary snacks. Proper nutrition optimizes cognitive function and memory. Celebrate your victories, big and small. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how incremental. Reward yourself for milestones achieved, keeping yourself motivated and invested in the journey. Remember, the secrets to academic success lie not in shortcuts, but in intentional learning, strategic focus, and embracing your unique learning style. Experiment, adapt, and discover what works best for you. With dedication and the right tools, you can unlock your full potential and experience the joy of true academic achievement.